Hey guys, what's up with everyone and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about basic and simple eye look that you need to know, maybe if you're going outside for shopping, or maybe for university, or maybe somewhere you don't want to look dramatic but simple and nice, then this video for you. And also, if you're a beginner, this video is going to be very helpful for you because I'm going to talk about everything that you need to know to make a simple eye look, all the tips and tricks, so you also should stay here. And the palette I'll be using for this video is Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to recommend you some other palette that can give you same kind of eye look. And if you have any of this, that will be very helpful for you. And also if you don't have, you just can grab any of this and it will be good to go. Anyway, so if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video in the future. And now let's get started. Alright, so now we are zoomed in so you can see everything as clear as possible. First thing first, I already prepped my eyes with an eye primer, and you can use any kind of concealer or foundation, doesn't really matter, but try to use something because it will help you to let your eyeshadow stay there for a longer time. Okay, so now you want to grab any kind of powder that matches your skin tone to set your eyelid, and any kind of brush like this, or also maybe like this brush, any kind of fluffy brush. And then we are just going to press the product in the eyelid. I'm not going to swap or anything like that, just gently press in the eyelid. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a transition shade, and what it will do is it will help your other eyeshadow to blend faster and nicer. And the shade I'm going to use as my transition shade is this one, and the brush I'm going to use for this is Zoeva 228. Okay, so now I'm going to grab this shade, fill that excess, and I'm going to start in my crease. So I'm going to start just middle of my crease right here, and I'll be going until underneath my brow bone, leaving a little bit of space just right under my brow. Okay, so I'm going to start from here very lightly and in a circular motion. You want to bring your mirror down right here. You want to hold it down so you can look down, because then you will have a very bigger space to play around with. I'm not pressing the brush at all, very lightly and in a circular motion. Okay, I'm not going till in my inner corner. I am leaving it just before my inner corner, like till here, right here. Alright, I'm going back to the color and then again. If you don't know until where you want to take your color, then you just can make an invisible line, like from your eyebrow till your eyes till your nose, so like this. So you don't want to cross this line from here, you want to stay till there. Alright, so it's done now. You can see it's just a little bit of transition shade, and now I'm going to grab a little bit more precise brush because now we are going to focus on more precise area. And the brush I'm using for this is Zoeva 225, and the shade I will be using is this here right here, burnt orange. Okay, so take the color, tap the excess, and now we are going to start right here on the outer lid using circular motion. Okay, so starting in my outer lid using circular motion, and you want to keep your hand high just like this, like you hold your brush from high. It will help you not to bring the color too high up here, because you don't want to take it all the way high there. You want to stay just right in your crease. So using circular motion, holding the brush up and just like this. I'm going back to the color, tapping the excess and going back to my crease. You want to take the color a little bit inside like this so it can fade. And now I'm going back to the fluffy brush that I used for my transition shade, and without adding any additional product, I'm just going to blend everything out so there is no harsh line. So I haven't added any kind of product, I am just blending out everything so it's smooth and nice. Okay, now I'm going for more precise brush, more smaller brush, so I can just focus in a very small area, and I'm going to use this color right here. Okay, so now you're gonna take the color. This color is maybe way darker than the color we just used. We are gradually building up the color deeper and deeper shade because I'm going to make a traditional eye look, like deeper in the outer corner and lighter in the inner corner. Alright, so tap the excess, and now we are just going to focus in here, right here, only in the outer corner, not at all we're gonna bring this color anywhere up there or in my inner corner. We're just gonna keep it right here. So very lightly I'm going on the edge here and very lightly blending it out. We are basically making a V shape, like go like this and this. This is what I am going to do. You can go back to the color, tap the excess again and go back to your eyes. Okay. Take your time to blend it out. Mostly when you are doing it for the first time, take your time, be patient and do the whole thing, because if it's not nicely blend, your eyes will look a mess and you don't look a mess. Alright, so now I'm going back to again the same fluffy brush, again without adding any kind of additional color. Just blend, blend, blend. Blend everything till you are happy with the blend. Alright, now it's done, and now you want to take a flat brush just like this. Any kind of flat brush will work, and the color we are going to take is this color right here. So we're going to take the color in my brush, tap the excess, and now I am just going to focus from my inner corner till maybe a little bit inside, just to brighten up the area. Starting from my inner corner and taking it slowly inside. Okay, now the same color I'm going to take and put in my brow bone. Just there. Alright, so it looks beautiful and nice, and now you're gonna focus on our lower lash line, and for that I'm going to take the brush Zoeva 2D5, and the color I'm going to use this burnt orange right here. Now we are going to focus in this area. Alright, so now I'm going to take MAC 219 brush. It's a very small brush, perfect for your lower lash line. And now I'm going to take this color and apply just right here. I'm not taking it at all till the end of my oh my god, I forgot it, till my inner corner. Yes, till my inner corner. I'm just leaving it till the middle and adding it together with the lid. Alright, and that's all. I think we are done with these eyes. They look perfect and nicely blended. I'm just going to put some mascara and eyeliner and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look. I just put some mascara, some eyeliner, and I also did my other eyes. Alright you guys, so it's so simple and hopefully it helped you guys to learn something new. And also for the beginner friends, I hope it helped you. Please do try in your home so you can achieve the same look. And as I promised that I'm going to recommend you some palette that can help you to achieve same kind of eye look. So this is what I'm gonna do now. So the first palette will be for that from Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. And this is how the palette look like. It have all kind of warm tone, neutral colors in it. It have black and also have this golden metallic color. Like this one, if you are doing the same eye look, you just can put this one as maybe topper to make it a little bit dramatic, or maybe you can put this one in your inner corner and you can put this black to smoke it up more. So you just can change a little bit, or if you just can keep as it is, and this palette will help you to do so. Alright, the next one will be Rose in the Year from Wet n Wild, and this is how she look like. And it also have Newton color that can give you this kind of eye look. And the third one is from BH Cosmetic, their Glam Reflection Rose palette. This palette is everything. If you are a neutral lover, you should have this palette. No matter you want to do the same eye look or not, you should have this palette. This palette will help you to achieve this look, and this palette is nice. And the last one will be Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So you can see this palette and you can see my eyes and you can see the same look in this palette, isn't it? And the Wet n Wild palette that I just show you is the dupe for this palette. So if you have already this one, you don't need to spend your money for this. But if you have this one, this is the better option, of course, and this can give you this kind of eye look. Alright, so you reached to the end, and that's all for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.